Indo-American Community Voice is another organization which has also emerged in response to the challenges placed in front of the community to make others understand where we come from and what is the significance of swastika. There was a proposal, a bill was presented which would have put swastika as hate symbol and what it actually stands for. This event organized by Indo-American Community Voice shared the ineffective way. Participated by Padma Shri Dr. Sudeep Parekh, Dr. Neeta Jain, Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Pradeep Tandonji presented a special introductory presentation about swastika. Indo-American Community Voice is led by Beena Sabhapati. Here are some experts from that important virtual meeting.
I am a Hindu, and for me, of course, it is close to my heart, my religion. At the same time, I have the responsibility of Buddhist heritage, of Jain heritage as much. The 24th Tirthankara, Lord Mahavir of Jainism, was born in my hometown, Vaishali. Vaishali is also the place where Lord Buddha crisscrossed the land on a daily basis. He announced his parinirvan. He announced his last verse, his impending death in Vaishali. So that is how close I am to all these three traditions. A tradition or a stream of traditions which has given so much of wealth, so much of happiness, hope, thought, philosophy to the world at large. So thank you very much for your understanding and for your support. So juxtaposing something which is so deep, which has a history of 10,000 years or possibly more, with something which has been as recent and has a negative coordination would have amounted to not doing justice to the inner core of swastika, the meaning of swastika, and the emotions of people that is so deeply attached to it. So thank you very much. And for that reason, I think your support in favor of not positioning these two aspects together speaks of a deeper understanding of our sentiments and of our faith. So thank you very much once again.
And Mr. Jacobs, Honorable Mr. Jacobs, you have assured all of us here. Today, our heartbeats are for a different reason racing very high, because there is an anticipation that this bill is not going anywhere. So thank you very much for saying so and assuring us of that. And all the organizers of this great meet and great initiative that we have fought. Just to, not to take any time, but I want to say one thing definitely. In the annals of Indo-US relationship, Mr. Jacobs, you will last forever. And with this video digital recording of the whole thing, your words will matter a lot to further the relationship going forward.
And I was just texting Mr. Mehta to say, congratulations to you for all your hard work. And Mr. Jacobs has now come forward and assured us, and I think all of us can sleep peacefully tonight, thinking that this swastika will not go anyplace. This is something so close to our heart. As I said, I live my day, morning, afternoon, evening with swastika. It's almost impossible to believe that the swastika can be in any way removed or not respected the way it was.
We have to recognize the Holocaust and difficulties our Jewish brothers have gone through. At the same time, it was Hakenkreuz and not the swastika. And so making this bill, not having swastika name in there and going it away, has done the true justice to everybody in the world.
By giving us an assurance and promising you are going to get more than 1.8 billion blessing around the world, directly or indirectly, which will definitely give you more power and more strength to protect, again, legal rights, religious right, and constitutional right.
Any confusion between our Hindu religion symbol and other symbol of the hate from the Germany is two different things. And I'm glad that chairman of the Democratic Party responded to Indian American community's protest and got kind of convinced that they will try to not equate the Hindu religion with the this kind of hate symbol, and therefore we should be very grateful to Chairman Jacob, as well as we should really very lucky that Chairman Jacob is helping us because of his now better understanding of our point of view. And I also congratulate Mr. Kamlesh Mehta and his team and those who are actively participated in the protesting this bill. They won, or their victory is in our hand, and therefore I must congratulate them. And please keep working on, like this in the future too.